Imagine a world where predators roam freely, where anonymity shields ill intentions, and where our youth are at risk to the attractive dangers of the digital ocean. But in this dangerous landscape, we must ask ourselves, how can we equip them with the knowledge and tools to protect themselves from the ever-present threats? Thanks for tuning in. Today we will talk about a topic that grips the minds of millions: youth and online safety, and how to stay safe in a digital world. The statistics are just alarming. A recent survey revealed that a shocking 93% of teenagers have witnessed cyberbullying in some form. Online hackers hide in the shadows, seeking to exploit the innocence and trust of unsuspecting young individuals. The digital world, with its glamour and convenience, can quickly transform into a playground of insecurity. Recent studies paint a dark picture. Cyberbullying has become an epidemic, with nearly half of teenagers experiencing some form of online harassment. The consequences of such acts are just devastating, leading to profound psychological distress, depression, and even suicidal thoughts. The digital world has become a battleground where the innocence of youth is manipulated. Furthermore, the rise of online hackers is an ever-present threat. They exploit the emotions of young individuals, misleading them into dangerous situations. Shockingly, 1 in 5 teenagers has received an unwanted sexual appeal online, a shocking statistic that reminds us of the urgent need to protect our youth from these hidden dangers. Today, there is hope despite the darkness. In this age of technology, we have the power to empower our youth with the essential skills to use internet safely. By arming them with knowledge, teaching them about online privacy, promoting critical thinking, and ensuring open lines of communication, we can build a shield of protection around them. The power to stay safe lies in education and awareness. By encouraging open conversations about online safety, teaching the importance of privacy settings, and developing critical thinking skills, we can arm our youth with the tools to use the digital landscape with caution and confidence. It is not merely about avoiding the dangers, it is about cultivating a culture of digital resilience where our youth can grow, create, and explore with confidence. By developing an environment of trust, guidance, and education, we can pave the way for a future where youth are not victims of the digital age, but masters of their own digital destiny. It is not enough to simply react to the dangers. We must be proactive in creating a culture of digital resilience, empowering our youth with knowledge about online safety, promoting a responsible digital citizenship, and teaching them to identify and report suspicions or harmful behavior are essential steps toward creating a safer online environment. Collaboration is the key. Parents, educators, and policymakers must work together to establish comprehensive online safety measures. Creating safe spaces, implementing age-appropriate content filters, and developing strong policies against cyberbullying and harassment are crucial steps in protecting our youth from the dangers of the digital world. Together, let's work for a movement where our youth can flourish in the digital world without compromising their safety. By ensuring a sense of empowerment, resilience, and alertness, we can shape a future where their online experiences are filled with opportunities, connections, and above all, peace of mind. Thank you for staying in. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay informed about the latest technological revelations. And if you have any thoughts, comments about the subject, or any suggestions for us, do let us know in the comment box.